Hey there, cosmic explorers! Welcome back to Fact Fusion, where we blast off into the wildest corners of the universe to bring you mind-blowing facts. Today, we're talking about speed. Cosmic speed. And no, we're not just talking about light. In fact, light isn't even the fastest thing out there. So buckle up and get ready to have your mind blown as we count down the 5 fastest things in the universe. Let's go! First up, did you know there's something faster than light? Yep, you heard that right. But before we get to that, let's start with something you might already know. Light itself. Coming in at number 5 is light. It travels at a whopping 300,000 kilometers per second, or 186,000 miles per second. That's so fast, it could circle the Earth 7.5 times in just 1 second. But here's the kicker. Light isn't even the fastest thing in the universe. Crazy, right? Let's move on to something even speedier. Okay, quick question. What do you think is faster than light? Drop your guesses in the comments below. Now let's zoom into number 4. At number 4 we have gravitational waves. These ripples in space-time are caused by massive events like colliding black holes or neutron stars. And guess what? They travel at the speed of light, but they're still not the fastest. Mind equals sign blown. By the way, if you're trying to outrun a gravitational wave, don't bother. Just enjoy the ride. It's like the universe's version of a roller coaster. Coming in at number 3 is cosmic expansion. Did you know the universe is expanding faster than the speed of light? Yep, galaxies are moving away from each other so quickly that light can't even keep up. It's like the universe is on a cosmic treadmill set to ludicrous speed. Okay, real talk. How many of you wish you could move as fast as the universe is expanding? Imagine getting to work that quickly. Now, let's rev things up for number 2. At number 2, we have quantum entanglement. This is where things get really weird. When two particles are entangled, they can instantly affect each other, no matter how far apart they are. It's like they're communicating faster than light, breaking all the rules of physics. Alright, we've saved the fastest for last. Ready to find out what's faster than light, gravitational waves, cosmic expansion, and quantum entanglement? Let's go! Drumroll, please. The fastest thing in the universe is the expansion of space during the Big Bang. In the first moments of the universe, space itself expanded faster than the speed of light. That's right, space itself was breaking its own speed limit. Talk about a cosmic speed demon. And there you have it, the 5 fastest things in the universe. Which one shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a fact-filled adventure. Until next time, keep looking up and stay curious.